The tech world was jolted by revelations of a significant internal fraud scheme at Intel, orchestrated by a trusted employee and an outside supplier. This shocking discovery has sent ripples through the industry, raising concerns about corporate security. The scheme siphoned millions of dollars from the company, operating stealthily for years before financial irregularities triggered an internal investigation. The complexity and duration of the fraud have left many in disbelief. Natalia Avtsin, a former Intel employee, and Yefim Tsibolevsky, an external supplier, are the primary figures implicated. Their roles within and outside the company provided them with the perfect cover. Avtsin allegedly facilitated fraudulent transactions, while Tsibolevsky submitted bogus claims. Their coordinated efforts highlight a sophisticated level of planning. The investigation suggests a sustained effort to defraud the company, making the breach even more alarming. The meticulous nature of their actions indicates a deep understanding of Intel's systems. Intel's internal fraud detection team launched a comprehensive investigation, delving into years of billing activity. Their thorough approach aims to uncover every detail of the fraudulent scheme. Initial estimates of total losses range between $10 million and $20 million. This significant financial impact underscores the severity of the breach. The duration of the undetected activity raises serious questions about the efficacy of Intel's internal controls. It has prompted a re-evaluation of their security measures. This incident serves as a stark reminder that even robust systems can be compromised by determined insiders. Companies must remain vigilant and continuously improve their security protocols to prevent such breaches. The fraudulent tactics employed in the Intel scheme were multifaceted, exploiting weaknesses in the company's procurement and payment processes. Tsibolevsky's company generated deceptive bills, which Avtsin approved. The scheme involved submitting inflated and duplicate invoices for non-existent services. Avtsin reclassified transactions to bypass internal verification protocols. She kept invoice amounts below her personal order limit to avoid triggering additional reviews. The rapid onboarding of Tsibolevsky as an official Intel supplier points to potential vulnerabilities in Intel's vendor vetting processes. The fraudsters tailored their activities to navigate around these weaknesses, costing Intel millions before detection. The financial repercussions of this internal fraud scheme for Intel are significant, with estimated total losses between $10 million and $20 million. This staggering amount has put immense pressure on the company's financial stability. Beyond monetary losses, the fraud caused considerable operational disruption. Departments across the company face significant setbacks. Teams from legal, finance, internal audit, and security dedicated countless hours to investigating the scheme. This exhaustive process diverted resources from other critical projects. The discovery of such a betrayal can impact employee morale and internal trust. The sense of security within the company has been deeply shaken. Intel's investigation hinted at possible involvement of other third parties, complicating recovery efforts. This has led to a broader scrutiny of external partnerships. The scandal necessitates a thorough review of vendor onboarding and management processes. Every contract and agreement is now under the microscope. The entire episode serves as a costly lesson in the importance of continuous vigilance and dynamic internal controls. It underscores the need for robust security measures and proactive risk management. Once the irregularities escalated into a full-blown fraud investigation, Intel moved decisively. Natalia Avtsin's employment was terminated, and legal proceedings were initiated against her and Tsibolevsky. Intel handed the case over to federal authorities for criminal investigation. Internally, Intel launched a comprehensive investigation into years of billing records and internal processes. The company began restructuring its vendor approval process and tightening internal controls. Intel is exploring more sophisticated AI-based detection systems to identify anomalous patterns. The company publicly reaffirmed its commitment to ethical conduct and intolerance for internal corruption. These actions aim to restore confidence and prevent future occurrences. The Intel fraud scandal sends a chilling message across the tech industry, shaking the very foundations of trust and integrity. It underscores that even technologically advanced firms can harbor vulnerabilities if human elements and process loopholes are not managed effectively and diligently. The reliance on trust must be balanced with robust verification mechanisms, ensuring that every transaction and decision is scrutinized. The scandal highlights the need for integrated financial oversight and sophisticated fraud detection systems that can preemptively identify risks. AI-powered analytics are essential to identify subtle anomalies and complex collusive patterns, providing a layer of security that human oversight alone cannot achieve. The Intel case demonstrates that no company is too big to fall victim to internal fraud, and the repercussions can be far-reaching. The key takeaway is the urgent need to review and strengthen internal controls and fraud detection capabilities, ensuring that companies remain vigilant and proactive in safeguarding their assets. The Intel fraud scandal offers crucial lessons for businesses concerning internal fraud. Trust in employees must be accompanied by robust verification and control mechanisms. Regular, thorough audits and cross-team reviews are essential. Advanced technology, particularly AI and machine learning, is indispensable in detecting sophisticated fraud. Establishing robust whistleblower systems is paramount. Avoid granting unchecked authority over financial approvals to any single individual. Continuous monitoring and adaptation of internal controls are essential. Vigilance, strong processes, and a culture of integrity are the bedrock of effective internal fraud prevention. In the wake of the fraud scandal, Intel is focused on rebuilding trust and reinforcing defenses. The company is overhauling its vendor approval and management processes. Intel is investing in AI-based fraud monitoring tools to improve early detection. The company is pursuing legal avenues to recover lost funds and hold perpetrators accountable. Intel aims to emerge stronger with more robust safeguards and heightened awareness of insider risks. The incident provides an opportunity for Intel to set a new standard in corporate governance and internal fraud prevention. The journey involves continuous improvement and an unwavering commitment to integrity.